Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to transfer money from YouTrip to bank account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Before transfer, there are a couple of things that you should know. That is, you can withdraw only eligible funds called transferable balance. This includes top-ups made via PayNow or a linked bank account, which is e-Gyro, merchant refunds, dispute reversals, cashback, etc. Money added via credit or debit card top-ups cannot be withdrawn. You can only withdraw money in SGD. If you have other currencies, exchange them to SGD first in the app. You are allowed to up to 10 free withdrawals per calendar month. If you need more, you have to request a refund instead, which fees may apply. Withdrawals go to the bank account associated with PayNow linked mobile number NRIC/FIN. In order to transfer money to your bank, what you need to do first is simply head over and open up a YouTrip application. Now once you're inside, simply log into your account. And now once logged into your account, what you need to do is simply select the option that says transfer right here. Then once you select the option, you'll find an option that says withdraw to own account. Simply choose that. Then enter the amount you want to transfer. The app will show you transferable balance. Now choose how to receive it, usually via PayNow using your registered mobile number or NRIC or FIN. Then once that's done, simply review and confirm the transfer and your funds should be sent instantly to your linked bank account. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.